Okay, so I've got them all powered on, and I click on this one, and the instructions are, let me go to the next page. Okay, so in here, after we've logged into this one here, we're going to on 7 right here, and I'm already logged in as her, so let me cancel and see if I can start over. Okay, go back here. And let me refresh it. Okay, I want to, let me see if I can log off. Don't know if it's going to let me do that or not. Okay, so when I clicked on this server, the administrator account was already up there, and then there was a switch user here, which is what I did. And then you go in and type, click on other user right here, and that's when you enter the Lisa Waybridge and password. So I'm not sure if that's what you're referring to or not. And this is the screen that you should be going to. At first it showed switch user, then other user, and then type in Lisa Waybridge, PASSW0RD, and enter. And it should log you in. So I'm really not sure if that's what you're referring to or not. This is another step down further, so let me know if that is what you are referring to.